Welcome to our channel. Discovering hidden gem apps on Firestick means exploring lesser-known legal streaming services. Follow these step-by-step instructions to expand your content library. Step 1. Check out Canopy, a free streaming service available through many public libraries. It offers independent films, documentaries, and foreign cinema. Step 2. Install Hoopla, another library-based service that provides movies, TV shows, music, and ebooks at no cost with a library card. Step 3. Try Zumo, a free streaming service with live TV channels and on-demand content across various categories. Step 4. Download Plex, which offers free movies and TV shows alongside its media server features. No subscription required for the free content. Step 5. Explore RetroCrush for classic anime and Midnight Pulp for cult classic movies and TV shows, both free with ads. Step 6. Install PBS for free educational content, documentaries, and classic television programs from public broadcasting. Step 7. Try niche sports apps like Red Bull TV for extreme sports or Flow Sports for coverage of less mainstream sports. Step 8. Remember that hidden gems doesn't mean secret illegal apps. The best hidden gems are legitimate services that simply aren't as well known as Netflix or Hulu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.